everyone, this is Johan again, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Ginataang Sitaw or Kalabasa and Sitaw with pork liempo. Here are the ingredients. So we have luya, bawang, sibuyas, and shrimp cubes. Of course, liempo. And then we have our gata, pepper. We have salt over there. And we have our vegetables. We have kalabasa, sitaw, and then long green chilies or siling pangsigang. And then we have here patis. And yeah, that's all. Alright, this is a very easy dish. Para siya lang stir fry. And then we're just going to add gata. Alright, let's show you how we do it. So, sa isang kawali, syempre, igigisa lang natin yung ating mga aromatics o yung mga pampalasa natin. Unang-una, syempre, yung sibuyas. As you all know, if you are watching or following my channel, every time that I saute, inuuna natin yung sibuyas. And then, because meron tayong luya here, I've added it the second ingredient that I've added, so that we can extract the flavor of the luya. And then, I've added the garlic. So, sutay-sutay lang tayo dyan hanggang ma-extract natin lahat yon, and then we are ready to add our meat, which is our pork liempo. As soon as the pork liempo, wala na siyang pinkish color, we will add some water. Oh, by the way, I salted that just for flavor. And as you can see, I've added water already. That's about 1 glass of water. I've added the shrimp cubes, and I've also added another glass of water, and then I've waited for it to simmer. Simmer it, and then because it is liempo and it is fresh, it's really easy to cook. Malambot siya agad. So I've added our kalabasa because mas matagal siya maluto kaysa dun sa ating sitaw. And then I've added some of the coconut milk, yung gata natin. And then I just stir it around and basically wait for it to simmer again so that we can soften the kalabasa or mapalambot yung kalabasa. And I was not able to mention this in the ingredients section or segment, but I've added balao, which is a fermented like bagoong from Bicol, which is where my province is. And it just add another depth of umami. Plus the patis is really good. Just watch out when you add those ingredients because you might wanna, hold off with the adding of the salt because it's gonna be very salty if you don't taste it first. And after simmering it, I've checked for the softness of our kalabasa. And mukhang malambot naman na siya niyan. So I've added na our sitaw, which will only take a couple of minutes to cook. And to incorporate the lasa of the long green chili, so siling pangsigang, nilagay ko na rin siya. And I've added some pepper. If you notice, I did not actually add salt here because I already like the flavor. And for finishing touches, I've also added the remaining gata there. Okay, so our kalabasa is already malambot, so this is all good now. We are ready to serve this. There you go. So this is our ginataang kalabasa and sitaw with pork liempo. It's really good, really savory, very umami. Ang sarap niya pang gabihan, tanghalian, lalo na sa steaming rice. Alright, if you like it, hit like guys. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. See you again soon and thank you again for watching. Bye!